So today we will calculate the collapse load for that frame. Means is the question for today. Calculation of collapse load means collapse load calculation of values are given, loads are given in this question. So we will not calculate the collapse load. We will calculate the value of the required moment of resistance for the element of that frame. Clear to everybody? This is 20 kilonewton known, it is 50 kilonewton known, and one more force has also been applied by 25 kilonewtons. Horizontal force is also there. Horizontal force is also there. So while calculating the value of MP, we will assume that this given load, one horizontal force 25 kilonewton, this 20 kilonewton, this 50 kilonewton are collapse load. These are the collapse load. Assuming all acting loads are collapse load, calculate the value of MP. Okay, since the value of MP is not uniform, for this one column it is 1.2 MP, it is 1.25 MP, it is 2 MP. All column has different cross section. Different value of MP means different cross section. If they are the rectangular, then that will be the middle column will have the higher section, higher width and its width and depth. Okay, higher cross section. This one will be smallest. This one will be smallest. For that beam, it is 1.75 MP, means it is the smallest section as compared to this one. This is 3.5, much higher. Clear to everybody? Value of MP, you know very well. If it is rectangular section, then BD cube by 4. BD square by 4 for rectangular section. Another type of question are being asked, and certain value of load factor is given. Load factor say that value is suppose 1.2. If the load factor is given, what is meaning? Given load will be multiplied by 1.2. Clear to everybody? In plastic analysis, we consider load factor, not factor of safety. In this one, elastic analysis. In elastic analysis, factor of safety has to be taken. First thing you should know, it should be clear to all of you. Factor of safety is that. In plastic analysis, load factor is that. And the relation between load factor and factor of safety I have given to you, that has been derived. What is the relation? Load factor is equal to factor of safety multiplied by the safe factor. That has been derived in very beginning. Clear to everybody? Why it is factor of safety multiplied by the safe factor? Go in that lecture and see that. But we will apply the load factor, not factor of safety. Here in this question, assuming that these are the collapse load. Therefore, you need not to apply that value of the collapse load. Means that value have been multiplied. Okay. If I am giving that the load factor is this, okay, and that is the collapse load. That is the collapse load. Okay. So what will be the working load? Can you tell me? What will be the working load at here? That will be 20 divided by 1.2. Is it clear to everybody? Is it clear to everybody? If the load factor is this, then working load, it will be 20 divided by 1.2. This is the working load. Okay. if, and for this it will be 50 upon 1.2 and it will be 25 divided by 1.2. Clear to everybody? So question can also be asked by giving this working load, this one working load, and that will be given, that assuming load factor is 1.2 and find out the value of the plastic moment of resistance. Clear to everybody? Here 20, 50, 25, these are the collapse load. One thing I have made to clear everybody, load factor, regarding the load factor, concept of load factor, and the difference from last class, last example is that at point C we are observing more than 3 members, more than 2 members. In last class we did this type of frame, load was there, UDL, what was the load? Point load, na? 2 point load, single, this one, I think it was that, na? It was that. At any joint here, how many joints are there? Only 2 joints, at this joint 2 members are there. Here it is also 2 members, but at point C more than 2 members are there, 3 members is here. Here only 2, no problem, you can calculate accordingly. Clear everybody? Why I am taking that example? My reason is that to understand what you have to do if at any joint more than 2 members are active. This is the objective of this question. Clear to everybody? So at this joint C, whenever we will discuss, we will apply the plastic hinge at point C, then the additional mechanism has to be considered. Concept of additional mechanism has to be considered. So that first of all I should explain that mechanism which must be considered at that point. Clear to everybody? So I will summarize all of that to make full understanding. Okay. So types of mechanisms. We have discussed types of mechanisms for frame. We have discussed independent mechanisms, and it consists of beam mechanism as well as sway mechanism. Okay, and this sway mechanism consists of further panel mechanism. It consists of Gamble mechanism. It consists of joint mechanism. You are aware with this panel mechanism. You are aware with only panel mechanism. Clear to everybody? Sway mechanism or panel mechanism, but you are unaware about that. And here joint mechanism will also be incorporated. Sway mechanism will be there with the help of this one, joint mechanism. Okay. And second one, mechanism, you know very well. Which one is that? Combined. Okay. So in beam mechanism, what is the objective? What is the objective of that consideration? You know very well what is the mechanism. Mechanism are the assumed position of the plastic hinges for the collapse. Okay. Mechanisms are the combination of the or the selection of the plastic hinges to be formed at different joint for the collapse. So if we are considering if we are assuming that beam mechanism, then what is objective? If we are considering sphere mechanism, what is objective? If we are considering combined mechanism, then what is objective? That must also be clear to all of you. That must be clear, also clear to all of you. Clear? Whenever we are considering this mechanism, beam mechanism, if we are considering beam mechanism, our objective is to check. Suppose this is our example. This is the example, and this is A, B, C, D. Then, for simplicity, it will not be exact. If I am making this figure, then it is wrong. It is not exactly. But for simplicity, I have made this as B, C and D and A. For simplicity only. Okay. That load here is this one. Say it is W1, W2, W3, W4, W1, W2. Okay. So for AB, here AB is vertical leg, means it will act as a column. BC, it is a beam. This part CD, vertical leg, that's why it will be column. Okay. Here what I have done, I have rotated this in that direction, and here moments generated, that has been, because it will have the moment in this beam, has moment in this direction, therefore it will also have the moment in that direction. This will be the direction of the moment. Okay. So the purpose of beam mechanism is to check. Individual elemental strength of the structure. Individual elemental. How much element in this frame has? One element, which is column, means AB. Second one element, it is BC, known as beam. Next element, it is CD, and it is known as column. So in beam mechanism, individual strength of the individual segmental strength has been considered. Individual segment. That should be very much clear to all of you. Individual strength means we will consider one by one for AB. We will consider one by one for AB. We will consider one by one for this one. We will consider one by one for this one. Individual strength will be considered. If loads are acting, this one load, that one load, it will go through this support. That may be considered, may not be considered. No need. Okay. This one, no load. Okay, no problem. Clear to everybody? So individual mechanism has to be considered. For AB, this is AB. This is for BC. This is for CD. Number of mechanism here, it will be only one. And at collapse, what will be the value of that moment? That can be MP. That will depend upon the plastic resistance of the member. If it has 1.5 MP, if it has 2 MP, then minimum at that joint, minimum 1.5 will be there. What will be that value? That will depend upon the segmental moment of resistance. Minimum will be used. Okay, these moment can be. Okay, so number of plastic is required for that. It will be how much? 3. Okay, this is because the moment is there, so therefore that this is not a normal hinge. This will be which one? Plastic hinge. It will be considered as the plastic. Fixed hai, then it is up, definitely it will have the plastic. This one, it is also not a normal hinge. It will not be considered as a normal hinge. It will be plastic because it has the moment. That one also be. This one also. Okay, if this is the situation, then that hinge will be considered as normal hinge. Clear to everybody? And in beam mechanism, individual instant, how much the value of the collapse load, how much the value, if that value is W1, then how much is the value of W1 that will able this member, the member AB, what is the maximum value of W1 which can be registered by that member AB. This is the meaning of beam mechanism for AB. What is the meaning of beam mechanism for this one BC? If it is W2, it is W3 and W4. What is that meaning? The meaning for beam mechanism BC is only that what is the value, what can be the value of W3 and W4, what can be the maximum value of W3 and W4 so that that beam is safe, that beam does not collapse, that beam does not collapse. Only this part, only this part. While considering that mechanism, we are not bothering this one column, this one is structural member and this one is structural member. We are considering only for that. Clear to everybody? Similarly for that, because it is there is no any load, so it will be safe. Because there is no any load, then therefore that type of a structure, that type of elemental structure need not be considered. है क्या? लोड ही नहीं है इसमें, because it does not have any load, therefore it does not it need not to be considered. Clear to everybody? We will consider only these two. That is the objective of the beam mechanism. That is the objective of the beam mechanism. That must be clear to everybody. And I hope it will clear, it will make in understanding. Okay? And you know very well how much is the total number of hinge required, including plastic as well as normal hinge. It is 3. You know very well. Okay? That has been discussed. And in a very short, here total only plastic hinge will be found. Okay? 1 at 2 are compulsory, means at support 2 are compulsory. At point A and B, this will be the compulsory, and one more additional plastic hinge will be, since this is the point load, that's why optional plastic hinge will be under the load. If it will be uniformly distributed load or UDL, then the position will be calculated individually. For point load, it is very easy to locate that. Here compulsory at point B and at point C is a compulsory, and optional we have 2 options. Either it can be under load number 3, either under load number 4. Since 3 mechanisms are required, since only 3 plastic hinges are required, then 2 compulsory, 1 considering this one and considering 2 compulsory, considering this one. That's why it will have 2 individual mechanism. Okay, it will have 1 individual mechanism, it will have 2 individual mechanism. Therefore, total number of beam mechanism, it will be 3. That has been cleared in last 2 class. Okay, objective has today objective has been clarified. Now, the second one thing, sway mechanism. What is the objective? What is the objective? What is the objective? The objective is to consider the stability of only joint. Remember it. Only joint. Every joint. How much joint is this frame has? 4. Which one? Joint A, joint D, joint C, and joint B. And you know very well, all joints are supposed to be rigid. then joint cannot be flexible. Flexible हो सकता है क्या? Load लगाएंगे. If the joint B and C are flexible, then what will happen? With the application of the load, joint B and C, it will, the member BC and member BA will free to rotate. Since these are the rigid joint. These are the rigid joint, that's why these are the moments produced here. These are the, because this joint B is rigid. That's why, only that's why, that moment in equal and opposite direction. है नहीं? This one, कौन सा है? Anti-clockwise. This one, clockwise. Equal and opposite direction of the moment has been produced because it is rigid joint. Clear to everybody? Here also, equal and opposite. Equal and opposite direction of the moment has been produced only due to its rigidity of the joint. Only due to the rigidity of the joint. If the load are acting, W4, W3 and W4 are acting, then the value of the moment produced will depend upon which load? Of course, it will be dependent upon W3 and W4. If W3 and W4 are less, then less value of the moment will be produced. Therefore, at that joint, this joint must be sufficient. It must have sufficient strength to counterbalance the moment produced by that load. Clear to everybody? This one joint must be able to sufficiently strong. That joint must be sufficiently strong to bear that load produced by that individual. Produced by that external load. Similarly, this joint must be sufficient strong. Okay, that joint A must be sufficient strong to carry which type of load? Vertical, horizontal, as well as rotation. That joint, since this is free joint, it is a free joint, free in atmosphere. Therefore, that joint degree of freedom is 1. है नहीं यहाँ? It has a degree of freedom, not 1. It has a degree of freedom 3. 3 degree of freedom. It does not have degree of freedom it does not have any degree of freedom. 0 degree of freedom. It is also 0 degree of freedom. It has 3 degree of freedom. So the degree of freedom can be there, means it can move. It can move in any position. If this is point B, then point B dash may be in that. Maybe where? Here. But that joint, that geometry, it will not be disturbed. Listen carefully. What I want to tell you. Since it has at point B, what is the number of degree of freedom? This one and this one. These are degree of freedom. Let everybody. Rotational, horizontal and vertical. So this joint with the application of the load due to the moment produced at point B, that joint must be sufficient to counterbalance the moment. But since it has a degree of freedom, it does not have a degree of freedom, then that can be displaced. Since degree of freedom hai, that's why it can be displaced. It cannot be displaced. It will displace. Point C can also be displaced, but that will not be displaced. Okay? So the displacement of the joint is not the failure of the structure. Because we know the degree of it has a degree of freedom. If we do not want any motion, then we have to restrain that. If we are not restraining, then if the structure is going to move, then it's not the problem of the structure. It is not the problem of the structure. Clear to everybody? Then which type of degree? Now what I want to tell you, which type of the motion at point B will be permitted. which type of motion at point B will be permitted, that I want to tell you. That I want to tell you. At joint B, I am making the large figure. This joint B, joint C. If this point B has been displaced by certain amount due to that horizontal force, then that point will not be here. It will be shifted. It will be shifted like B dash and it like D dash. C dash. Okay. So here this BC, C and this, if it is A, it is D. That geometry cannot be disturbed. That angle. Similarly here, this one, C है ना? This one horizontal member and that vertical member. That angle 90 degree has to be there. That angle has to be there. It may possible that it has the value of this horizontal displacement. It may have the value of horizontal displacement, no problem. It may have that value of delta x, that may have delta y, that may have delta y, no problem. That may have, no problem. But that angle will not be disturbed. That angle cannot be disturbed, cannot be changed by any reason. If that angle is supposed to change, then we will say that it is collapsed. Unless that rigidity has not been disturbed, then it will not be treated as a collapse. That I want to tell you. Clear to everybody? It may have that value of horizontal displacement, that may have the value of the vertical displacement. No problem, that can be possible. Because this is the degree of freedom, delta x and delta y. Okay? One more degree of freedom this has. है ना? That is rotational theta. One more degree of freedom it has. Therefore, that joint B, which has been displaced at B dash, that joint can also be rotated. If this is its original position, this one position, that can also be rotated in that manner also. That can also be rotated in that fashion also. By having this value theta, by this value theta. That I want to tell you. That I want to tell you. At joint B dash, this is the final position of that. This is the final position. That includes both horizontal, this one horizontal, that one vertical, and that is rotation. But that angle between that will not change. That I want to clear to everybody. That will not change. When that angle will disturb, then it will supposed to collapse. Then and only then it will supposed to collapse. Same thing will be for here. Same thing will be applicable at point C. Okay, so C can also be have that type, but that angle must be 90. That can be possible. That can be possible. So in panel mechanism, only delta x has to be considered. Only delta horizontal displacement has been considered. Only horizontal displacement has been considered. Vertical displacement are supposed to be very small amount, because it is not desirable. Desirable हो सकता है if this is the frame structure, this one column, that one this one beam, this one column, is it desirable that vertical displacement should be there? We will not expect that type of thing. That's why that has to be minimum and minimum and minimum, tends to 0, tends to be 0, and that can be possible. That can be possible. How it can be possible? Make digit AB. Make digit. If the length of AB member has not been changed, if it is not compressible, if member AB is not compressible, then joint B will not be move in downward direction. That's why it will be 0. Get everybody? It will not be move in that direction. Vertical movement may be restricted. That also. So, for panel mechanism, value of horizontal displacement delta x is considered. What about joint mechanism? In joint mechanism, value of theta has been considered. Value of theta has been considered. Value of theta has been considered. So here at point C, if the plastic hinge at point C is to be formed, plastic hinge at point C is to be formed, then point C, if we are considering, since horizontal force is acting in positive direction of x-axis, then its displacement shape may be considered like this. May be considered like this. May consider like this. So this joint, ये कितना था? This one is A, D, F. Now our joint C is at here, E is here, B is here. This joint B, ये C, this one angle, this one angle, that one angle, this one is 90, it is 90. Okay. So when hinge, plastic hinge under that load, 50 kilonewton load will be considered. Okay. When plastic hinge at point and under that load has been considered, then it will be deflected shape will be like this. And if the plastic hinge at that under that load has been considered, then its deflected shape will be this one. Agreed? Now what I want to tell you, that this one value of theta, this one value of theta, that will be same. That will be same. And it is considered under joint mechanism. Means what I want to say, if example is like this, consider this as an electric pole. Consider the example of the electric pole. This straight wire और 90 degree पे, this one is a straight wire. Okay. If the plastic hinge at that joint has been formed, listen what I want to tell you through that example. If the plastic hinge at that joint, say that joint is AB, that joint is B. If the plastic hinge at joint B has to be formed, then how, by what manner it will rotate? By what manner it will rotate, that I want to tell you. Its plan will be what? Its plan will like this. This is the elevation and it will be the plan. So if the plastic hinge has been formed here, then it will displace. If this is the rotation, then that vertical member will have to rotate by the same amount value of theta. That everybody? That rotation, it will be same, it will have the same value of the rotation, and that is considered under joint mechanism. Clear to everybody? Gamble mechanism to understand the Campbell mechanism, if the structure is in this shape, and we know very well how many number of plastic hinges, how many number of plastic hinges required for collapse. If it is if had degree of static indeterminacy, since it has the degree of static indeterminacy 3, then it will be only 4. How many number of joint of this structure has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it has 5 joint, then we must have one joint must not have the plastic hinge. Since in sway mechanism, all joint stability of the joint has been considered, but for the collapse, that structure will collapse only and only when any 4 joint will be under plastic condition. If one out of these 5, if one is not fully yielded with MP, with value of MP, before that can be possible to collapse. Okay, before that it will collapse. It can collapse. Before that it can collapse. So any 4 can be taken, like if I have taken this, I have taken this, I have taken this, I have taken this, and if the load is in this form, then that value of जो भी angle है, for the angle between that must be retained. That should not be changed. If due to certain amount of value of this displacement, if suppose it has been moved by certain value of horizontal displacement like delta, then that has been also moved by certain amount of value delta, then and plastic hinge has been formed here, then this displacement, that one angle can be displaced. That one angle, if this is the alpha 1, then it can be beta 1. It can be beta 1 because plastic hinge has to be considered, has been considered here. That angle may be disturbed. Okay. Plastic hinge has also been considered here. So if that angle is alpha 1 in between that member, then that angle may also get disturbed like beta 2. It may have different value. But that angle alpha at that joint B, this one joint, since it has not been at that location, plastic hinge had not been there. That's why that angle must be with value alpha. Clear to everybody? Therefore, such type of mechanism in which number of joints are more than required plastic hinge, then such type of thing will be considered, and that is known as Campbell mechanism. Clear to everybody? So we have discussed the objective of the beam mechanism. We have discussed about the objective of the sway mechanism. How it will rotate? Sway mechanism means rotation. Joint displacement has been considered. I have discussed here. Now I will discuss what is the objective behind combined mechanism. What is the objective behind this one combined mechanism? What is the objective? So objective behind this one combined mechanism is that entire structure has to be considered. Means beam as well as this one beam as well as column has to be considered for the collapse condition. Clear to everybody? beam as well as column has to be considered simultaneously. In beam only segmental, in beam mechanism only segmental part has been considered. In sway mechanism joint stability of the joint has been considered, but in that case entire stability of the structure has to be considered, beam as well as column both. Considering in the mind that total number of hinges required is not more than that, we will keep in mind regarding the number of plastic hinges required to form, required for the collapse, number of plastic hinges required for collapse, that will not be exceeded by d, how much value? ds plus 1. We will consider combination of beam as well as column both. Any two structural member can be there, beam or column. It is not the meaning. It may possible only two beam, means that one part may be considered, that one part may also not be considered. It may possible. Any two structural member will be combined. Any two or more than two will be combined, keeping in the mind that the number of plastic hinge is not going to exceed by amount ds plus 1. Now it is complete information regarding the mechanism which will be used in plastic analysis of the frame. Now you are able to calculate anything in the structure. This is a big example of the frame. If you are able to find the value of the collapse load, value of the MP, then I hope that you will able to solve any type of question, because it has the maximum complexity. Because if anything is missing, then you will not able to solve that. If anything is missing, okay, if you are able to answer that question, it means most of the thing, almost everything has been cleared now. Clear to everybody? How much is time? Now we will solve this question. So beam mechanism, first of all we will consider here all of that mechanism whatever we have discussed. First beam mechanism, second sway mechanism, and third combined mechanism. So first of all beam mechanism. And how many number of beam mechanism will be there? For AB it will not have any mechanism. For BC it will have one mechanism, because only three possibilities of plastic hinge is there and three are required, so we do not have any option here. It is we also does not have any option. Three locations, three plastic hinge, three locations. So for BC, first for BC segment, and point load is this. So this one value, this one plastic hinge here, it will have. Now what will be the value? This joint is B, this joint is C. So at joint B, what will be that value? It is 1.2 for that, 1.75 is that, so minimum 1.25 MP. So here we will write 1.2 MP. What value we have to write here? C पे 1.75, 3.5, 2.5, which is minimum? 1.75. So we will write 1.75 MP. And in between that, 1.75. So after writing this, everything is very simple. Make the deflected shape. And we will have the deflected shape in this form. This value of delta, this value of theta 1, this value will be theta 2. Here it will also be theta 1, here it will also be theta 2 according to geometry. And now value of collapse load or MP can be calculated by equating W external equals to W internal by the principle of virtual work. Since that load is 20 kilonewton, so the value of the external work done will be how much? Value of the external work done 20 into delta, that will equals to be external work done has been completed na, another load will not be considered. Okay, this one 25 meaning है क्या? को 25 को कुछ 25 तो कोई meaning है क्या? No meaning. No meaning is it has. This one, if it is acting in this direction, then the deformation at point B is not there, na? So it does not have any meaning. Okay, meaningless. Pardon? Load 20 kilonewton. Consider this as a load. After load factor, working load. 20 by 1.2, that is the working load. 20 divided by 1.2 value, it is the working load. If 1.2 is the load factor, that was explained to understand the working load and collapse load. So 20 into delta equals to 1.25 MP into theta 1 plus here 1.75 MP into theta 1 plus theta 2 plus what I should write 1.75 MP into theta 2. Is it correct? So the value of delta theta 1, theta 2 can be eliminated. It's a very simple type of work. Elimination is a very simple type of work. So value of theta 1 equals to del by how much is that value? 1.5. And value of theta 2, it is also delta by. So both will be equal. Both will have the same value. So assume if it is theta, then that will automatically be theta, and value of delta will be 1.5 into theta. Now by putting that, you can find the value of MP. Therefore 20 and delta value is 1.5. 20 into 1.5 theta equals to, take common as MP and theta. So it is 1.25 plus I have written wrong thing. 1.25 कहाँ से आया? It is 1.2 ना, और बताया भी नहीं आपने. It is 1.2 ना. 1.2 plus 1.75 double times of, okay, double times of 1.75 plus 1.75 only. So total value is MP into theta 6.45, and here it is 30 theta. So the value of MP, how much? 4 point value 4.65. Is it correct or wrong? Yes, 4.651. Okay. Now, for mechanism number, okay, for CBS, second, for CE segment, for CE segment, is simple ना? Okay. बस यही यहां पर ध्यान रखना. You have to care at that level. You have to care at that level. Next thing, very simple. Care must be given here only. You have to select minimum. In many book at your level, because you are reading local type of book, so this type of thing can be there. So for C, for CE, this point is C, this point is E, and load is 50 kilonewton. Load is 50 kilonewton. What will be the value of the moment at the at support CE? 1 point. Minimum value is C point is this. Yes, minimum 1.75. 1.75 MP. Here E पे 2 MP. Another plastic hinge will be under the load. So under the load means it will be 3.5. It will be 3.5 MP. Any problem, Deepak? After this is very simple work. Okay. Make the deflected shape. Equate W external, W internal using principle of virtual work and find the value. Clear? So deflected shape, its deflected shape will have this one, value of theta 1, value of theta 2. That one will be theta 1, theta 2, and using principle of virtual work means W external equals to W internal. So W external, what will be the value of W external? 50 into delta equals to 1.75 MP into theta 1 plus this one 3.5 MP times of how much should be that? Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus value 2 MP into theta 2. Okay, clear? Is it correct? Now you can eliminate the value of theta 1, theta 2 and delta. So value of theta 1 will be del by how much is that distance? 2.5, and value of theta 2, it is also same. Okay, so assume if it is theta, assume then that value will also be theta, and the value of delta will be 2.5 times of theta. Put these values. So after putting, okay, very good. 50 multiplied by delta means 2.5 delta equals to MP into theta. Now tell me that value. 10.75. 10.75. Then value of MP comes to be 6 means 67. 62 unit kilonewton meter. So out of these two mechanism only, out of these two mechanism, what can be the value of MP? Can you tell me? मुझे मालूम था, मुझे मालूम था. It will be maximum or minimum? Yes, yes. It will not be minimum because this is the strength of this is the strength of the section. This is the strength of section, and section should be more and more strong. If the value of 4.65 is provided, then that will be safe, no problem. But this will not safe, it will fail. If we will provide 11.625, then this will be safe and that will also be safe. Both will be safe. So while writing the value of the collapse load and MP, that care must be given to you. Okay? For load, it will be minimum, it should be minimum. For MP, maximum value will be there. So this is the this one beam mechanism. Next, sway mechanism. Sway mechanism. Next one is sway mechanism, and we know very well what is the objective. Objective is to consider only the stability of joint. Okay, stability of joint. So I am making a big figure. इसके लिए तो no problem. We can have a small figure. So every joint has to be considered as a plastic hinge. But before considering all joints as plastic hinge, care must be given. Care must be given. Which type of care must be given? Which type of care must be given? That value of the total number of plastic hinge cannot be more than not 4. ds plus 1. That value, that structure has value of ds as total number of unknowns 9. 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So total number of plastic hinge cannot be more than total number of plastic hinge cannot be more than ds plus 1, and here it is 6 plus 1 means 7. Cannot be more than 7. है क्या? कम है, no problem. ज्यादा में problem. If you have higher number of plastic hinge, then is problem. In Gamble mechanism, this type of thing, इसमें कुछ ज्यादा थी क्या? ज्यादा थी, उसमें प्रॉब्लम था. लेस में if we have less number of joint as plastic hinge, then no problem. Clear to everybody? फिर से बताऊं? Okay. So make the deflected shape. In what direction the load is acting? In that direction, and the value is 25 kilonewton. Value is 25 kilonewton. So the deflected shape will have if this value has been displaced by amount delta, okay, if that has been displaced from this to this, okay, that joint, and then this joint has to be displaced by the same value of delta, okay, because that length BC length is not going to change, because the length BC is not going to change. Therefore this displacement and that displacement must have the same value delta, right? So the deflected shape will have this, deflected shape will have this, and here number of plastic hinges, this one is this one and this one, these are the plastic hinges. This is the original shape of the, this is the original, this is the original, this is the original, dotted line is the original, and thick line are the deflected shape. लोड्स कहाँ पे लग रहा है? यहाँ पे one load is here, another load is here. It is a deflected shape. Apply equilibrium, apply W external equals to W internal. So what will be the value of external work done? 25 into delta. Is it 25 into delta plus delta plus delta means 25 into 3 delta? 25. Because the total displacement is only delta, not 3 delta. Okay? Total displacement is only delta, not 3 times of delta. So the external work done will be 25 into delta equals to internal work done. Before writing internal work done, we must have the value of the moment. So decide what should be the moment here. 1.25 and 1.2 only. 1.2 MP here, minimum 1.2 here, 1 point here, 2 MP here, 2 MP here, 2 point. Now you can write, okay, if this displacement is theta, okay, so delta divided by vertical distance is 4, so it will also be delta divided by 4. So why we are writing theta 1, theta 2, theta 2? Write it same theta, theta, theta. Oh, because it will be wastage of time. Same rotation will be there. Because the length, vertical length is same. If the vertical length are not same, then write delta 1, delta 2, delta theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. And the value of theta, we know very well, it is delta by 4. Okay, means value of delta equals to 4 times of theta. Value of delta is 4 times of theta. So write here, it is 1.25 MP into theta, okay, plus 1.2 MP times of how much value? This one na? This one na? It will not change. So only theta plus this one value na 1.75 MP into only theta. Remember here, these two members are in original position. It will not be considered. Only this vertical member has the rotation. So that member will work only. Work due to that member will be considered only. Plus this one 2.5 plus 2.5 MP into theta plus कहाँ इसका हो गया नहीं हुआ ना. So 2 MP into only theta ना, this value theta plus here 2 MP into theta. So tell me the value of MP into theta. How many? 10.65. 10.65 MP into theta. Okay. Here 25 multiplied by 4 times of theta. Therefore, value of MP can be calculated 100 divided by that one. 9.38 kilonewton meter. Okay. So if I am considering this mechanism from beam mechanism for part CE, सामने बेटा last row does not support to talk. So this one mechanism, is it the correct mechanism? No, because we have because we have the mechanism which gives higher value. Okay, but we have to calculate. Okay, now next mechanism which we have to consider, combined, right? Combined mechanism. Combined mechanism. So in combined mechanism, since we know the value of ds, it is total 6. Therefore, number of total plastic hinge required equals to 7. Why I am considering this? Because entire structure has to be considered. That thing has not been considered in beam mechanism because the entire structure was not there. Only part of the structure was there. Okay. In sway mechanism, only joint was considered. But here, combined. Therefore, we have to select the number of alternatives. Listen carefully. We have to select the number of alternatives in which total number of plastic hinge will be only 7. Okay? In which total 7 plastic hinges are there. 7 से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. Clear to everybody? So what will be the possibilities? What will be the possibility? We will consider one by one. So if acha, what are compulsory locations? You know, ADF, these are the compulsory. So make that first of all. अभी पहले मुझे बनाने लेने दो. Let me draw here first of all, then you will have to plug. What I did? Compulsory plastic hinge. I have compulsory plastic locations has been located. Now, since that load 25 horizontal load is there, therefore it will have sway. Okay, it will have sway na, because 25 kN is there. Therefore we have to think in this part of because that structure has horizontal load, therefore it will have sway. Since entire structure has to be considered, therefore we have to be think on that deflected shape. First thing should be clear to everybody. We have to think where the plastic hinge will be formed, that will we will concentrate only on the deflected shape having sway. Clear to everybody? We will concentrate our work on the deflected shape having sway. So here I am making this by dotted line. Because this is the original shape and now it has been displaced. Okay, so four locations we have to locate. First of all, out of these four locations, one must be in between the member. Okay, one must be in between the member. Therefore, किसी को भी ले लें, एक बार इसको लें. Okay, so first of all, I am considering the plastic hinge under the load 50 kilonewton, means here. So the deflected shape will have, if the plastic hinge has been formed here, then deflected shape will be this. Step आप समझे, how you have to locate four plastic hinge, that I want to tell you through that question. My objective is to clarify how you will locate 4 number of optional plastic hinge. 3 compulsory that have been located, and you have to start that work under the formation. You have to start that work taking one plastic hinge under the load. If plastic hinge has to be there, then it will be the deflected shape. Okay, now for that deflected shape, the next step will be what? Due to that deflected shape, where plastic hinge must have to be formed. Is it that joint? That joint must have plastic. Is it not possible? Because it will not possible to have that. Because that angle, that rigidity has been disturbed because it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. And if the deflected shape will have this shape, then that angle cannot be 90 degree. Therefore, rotation must be there. Rotation must be there. Therefore, out of 4, 2 have been identified. Out of 4, 2 have been identified and they are placed here. The remaining are 2 more. Remaining are 2 more. Think of that, where they can. At this point, okay, at this point plastic hinge must be there. At this point, because it has the rotation, and care must be given. Care must be given. If this has the rotation value of say theta, then that value must will have theta value. That value must have that theta. Okay, because this angle we have not been disturbed. Joint, according to joint mechanism. Clear to everybody? That you have not to mug up. Why it is, that has been explained. Okay, if this value is theta, then that value will also be theta. If this is theta, then that value will also be theta. Clear to everybody? Now 3 plastic hinge has been located. How many is remaining? 1. So 1 plastic hinge can be where? At here. 1 plastic hinge can be here, because angle is not 90 degree. Because the angle is not 90 degree. So that may be the case. That may be the case which must be considered. That may be the case which must be considered. This is the procedure how to make the deflected shape for combined mechanism. This is the only procedure. This is the correct procedure to make the deflected shape. Clear to everybody? What I have told to you for revision, what I have told you, just locate the plastic hinge at the compulsory locations, and you know very well what are compulsory locations. Compulsory locations are A, D and F, means this one has been plastic hinge, must be plastic hinge. These are 3. Since total number of plastic hinge can be 7, therefore further 4 plastic hinge has to be there. Further 4 has to be there. On that point of view, out of the how to locate these additional 4, let us start the work considering the plastic hinge at under the load, this one. You can also start the same work by considering the plastic hinge at here also. You can also start. Why you have started the plastic hinge at point here? You can also start the plastic by considering the plastic hinge under that load. Okay, that may be the next procedure, next deflected shape. Okay, after making that deflected shape, we will be think of that it will be there, it will be possible or not. Now it is possible. After having that, it is concluded that it can be possible. Okay, if we have the deflected shape, then calculation is very simple. Okay, calculation for MP is not a difficult task of thing. The difficult thing is only to have that correct shape. Okay, now the next start the plastic hinge formation at under the 20 kilonewton of load. Okay, one possibility is this. Another possibility, I am making the diagram over here. So the deflected shape is both has the same value of the displacement. These are the plastic hinges. These are the location of plastic hinges. These are the location of plastic hinges. So next plastic hinge which we have to consider under that load. So the deflected shape will have this value. Deflected shape. If the plastic hinge is here, if the next plastic hinge is here, then deflected shape will have this. Clear? It has this. If it has this, if it has this, then another plastic hinge will be where? Must have at what location? Here, here, and another must have यहाँ पर भी होगी यहाँ पर हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. Maybe, may not be. Of course, may or may not be. Listen properly. What I want to tell you. Here, it is certain. Here it is certain. If the plastic hinge has to be formed here, then this is certain. No problem. But here it is not certain. There is uncertainty. Why uncertainty? Because this angle can be 90 degrees without making any plastic hinge. That angle can be 90 degrees without having any rotation at here. Without having any rotation at here. हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता? That deflected shape can be possible without any rotation at that point. That deflected shape can be possible without any rotation. Without any rotation between these two members. It should be very much clear to all of you. That can be possible. Therefore, there may not be plastic hinge. If I have mentioned the plastic hinge, then it is the wastage of plastic hinge. Wastage of, it will not give the correct result. Because plastic hinge has not been formed and we are enforcing that, we are assuming that the plastic hinge is here. Because we can have the deflected shape without the plastic hinge. We can have the deflected shape without having the plastic hinge at that point. Clear to everybody? So here plastic hinge will not be there. So these are the two locations. Only. These are the two locations only. Now we have to further locate two more plastic hinges. We have to locate two more plastic hinges. Okay. So what will be our next step? Consider another load. Consider the plastic hinge under the another load. And which is another load? 50 kilonewton. So the 50 kilonewton load is, since it is in between, so if the plastic hinge has to be formed here, then the deflected shape will have that shape. Will have that shape. Clear to everybody? And if the deflected shape has this, then one plastic hinge is there. For that plastic hinge, for that deflected shape, ये तो पहले ही हम कर चुके हैं. Plastic hinges यहाँ पे required होगी, पहले से ही है. Another plastic hinge required must be here. So consider here, because that angle has been disturbed some 90 degree. Okay, therefore to have the plastic hinge under that load, we must have the plastic hinge at that joint and at that joint also, because at that joint the plastic hinge has been located previously, therefore these two only. So how many optional plastic hinge have been located? 4. And it was the only requirement. That was the only requirement. So these 3, this one compulsory, 4 are optional. And we have the deflected shape. And if we have the deflected shape, then we can calculate the value of MP. We do not have any other option. Why we do not have any other option? Because we have considered every possibility, and the possibilities are the plastic hinge. We have to locate the plastic hinge under the load. If it is the point load, then we have to locate under that load. If it is UDL, then we have to search that point, and we have to start the plastic hinge at that point. And after that formation of the plastic hinge, we have to locate further. Because 2 loads are acting here and both has been considered. So therefore there are no any further possibility. It is clear to everybody? Means we do not have the third deflected shape. We have only 2 deflected shape. Many of us are very much confused that combined mechanism is the combination of beam and this one. So and many of us are very much confused, because that consideration is correct 90%. In 90% of the question it is correct, of course. It is correct, of course. But here it is not, because one beam mechanism it is okay. But one sway mechanism, and here it is not correct here. Okay, so it is not that type of thing. It is a combination of beam and sway. Okay, we have to think in that manner. You have to think in that manner. Clear to everybody? And B is this. Yeah, here. Now consider here. Listen properly. Last bench. Yes. ये कब? When that segment has the deflected shape like this, like this. यहाँ पे because this member has not a deflected shape. If this is the deflected shape, yeah, this is a sin na. Here it is 90 degree. It has been maintained. It has been maintained. Why? Because the deflected shape and that member, it can be possible. But here it will not be possible. In that case, it is not possible. Correct, everybody? It is not possible. That's why I am taking that question, because it is a very concept building. Because if we are able to solve that question, then most of the thing will be completed. Any other doubt? Okay, so we will consider one by one. We will consider one by one. Okay, so consider this one case. Consider figure. Suppose this is figure. This is figure 1. Case 1, case 2, you can also. So, case 1. So, case 1, considering figure number 1. Case 1, considering figure number this. So, what we have to do, you know very well. W external equals to W internal. What will be the value of external work done? So, mention the load also here. Mention the load here also. So, one load 50 kilonewton will be here, and 20 kilonewton will be here, and 25 kilonewton will be here. Now, find out the value of the external work done. 25 into delta. So write as 25 into delta plus another load 20 into 0 because it does not have any displacement. 50 into write it as delta 1. Write it as delta 1. So it is 50 into delta 1. Okay. This is the external work done. That will equal to be internal work done. And for the internal work done, we must have to locate plastic moment, plastic moment of resistance at every joint. So what will be that value here? That will be 1.2 MP here. 2.5 MP here, 2 MP here, 1.2 yes, it is there, 1.2 MP here, 1.75 MP here, 2 MP. Clear? So make that. Start from here. If that rotation is theta, no, I have taken here theta, so write it as theta 1 because I have written here as theta. I have written here, so write it as theta 1. So it is 1.2 into MP. Theta 1 plus that will also be theta 1. Let us locate the angles first of all. If it is this theta 1, then that will be theta 1. And what is the value of theta 1? Theta 1 is what? It is del by 4. Means delta equals to 4 into theta 1. If this is theta 1, Okay, then that value theta will also be delta by 4. What it means? That theta 1 is also equal to theta. Okay, clear to everybody? It means that theta 1 will have the same value. Okay, I am not enforcing that this is theta. I am not enforcing that this value is theta. It is automatically becoming that. Okay, it is theta. Similarly, that angle, because it is also del by 4, therefore it will also be theta. Therefore that will also be theta. Clear to everybody? Clear to everybody? Now, this one angle, this one angle, this one angle, here, this one angle will be theta, that one angle will be, if this is theta, then this is theta. And what about that angle? Okay, it will be theta. Why? It is in between. It is in between because this one value theta delta by delta 1 divided by 2.5, and so it will be same theta. It will have the same value of theta. Means every rotations are theta. Every rotations are theta. Why they are theta? Because the vertical legs are not different. It is same. This case will possible only and only when vertical length is same. If it is different, then that will not be same. That must be care. Be careful. Okay, you do not need to calculate anything. You do not to waste much more time on thinking. You do not have to waste your time on this type of thinking. Consider equal value of the theta. Consider equal value of the theta if the vertical legs are uniform. If two are uniform, if two are same, one is different. So for two it will be the same. Okay. Now put the so I will write here 1.2 MP into theta 1. So I should write theta, na? I should write why theta 1 theta plus here and here what I have to write 1.2 into MP into theta plus here 1.75 MP into कितना this one theta and this one theta means theta plus theta plus
सर ये दो थीटा सेम थोड़ी ना होंगे
कौन से
जो थीटा ये हो जाएगा डेल बाय 4 और वो हो जाएगा डेल बाय 1 2.5.
this one value is
नहीं सर ये दूसरे क्या यस सर
कहाँ पे बेटा
यहीं पे इस द थीटा की वैल्यू डेल बाय 4 आएगी
del by 4 yes
उस वाले थीटा की डेल बाय
ये del 1 ना reflection can be same different na clear this horizontal displacement delta this horizontal displacement delta this horizontal displacement delta but that value may not be same clear to everybody so कहाँ तक हो गया अभी 1 part next is 2.5 into theta plus this is completed this one 3 it is how much 3.5 plus 3.5 MP into theta plus theta another thing this one MP into how much value 2 MP into this theta because it is rotating and that rotating also, theta plus theta, 2 mp theta plus theta plus any other thing, this one 2 mp into theta. So sum up all this and we know that value of theta is del by 4, means delta is 4 times of theta, we know very well, and del and del 1 we must have the linearity, तो कैसे होगा ये, since we know that theta equal to del by 4, यहां पे लिखता हूं, since we know, कहां पे लिखूं, यहां पे, since we know theta equals to del by 4 equals to del 1 by how much value, 2.5, so it is del 1 by 2.5, so the value of del is 4 theta and delta 1 is 2.5 theta. Clear to everybody? Now put that value to replace, to eliminate, put that value, put that values. So this is 25 into 4 plus this is 50 into 2.5 times of theta. Clear? Equals to total मुझे बता दो, 21.4 m into theta. Clear? Is it correct? So 10.514 unit is it is simple, not difficult. Difficult thing is what? How to locate the base. Point D is where? This one, yes. 2.5 mp. Yes. Horizontal load is acting in what direction? अच्छा इसके? Okay. No need to. हाँ, work done हुआ ना? बस that's why. अच्छा, yes. ये तो this is the part of वो limit ना elastic ना. In plastic analysis we do not need to, we do not bother about the direction. Of course I have told you the direction, but here it is no need. Now consider this. This case too. Consider this case. Consider this case. Means we have to equate W external equals to W internal. Where the loads are acting 50 kilonewton, 20 kilonewton, 20 kilonewtons, it is 25 kilonewton. Okay. W external, what will be the value of the W external? 25 into delta plus 20 into this one value, say it is delta 1, say that value is delta 1 plus say it is delta 2. Okay. We will not do work in advance कि पहले से हमने लिख लिया डेल्टा 1 डेल्टा 2 डेल्टा. We will write the thing which will be required. Okay. Make the deflected shape then write W external internal, write the thing what is required. Do not write unnecessary type of thing. So it is a 25 into delta plus 20 into delta 1 plus 50 into delta 2. This is the total external work done. And what will be the internal work done? For that we must locate first of all, that has been located here, is the same thing. Just tell me the value. 1.25 MP, 2.5 MP, 2 MP, here कितना 2 MP, here 3.5 ना, 3.5 MP here, 1.75 MP here, 1.75 MP here. बस, no need. लिख डालो. अच्छा, इससे पहले थीटा थोड़ा देख लो. If this value is theta, if this value is theta, since this is 90 degree, since this is 90 degree, therefore that value is 90 minus theta, then it will also automatically be theta. Okay. Now if it is, if this value is theta, okay, now that value will also be theta. We know very well. Okay, if this value is theta, if this value is theta means del by 4. Here, this angle will be how much? Del by 4. It means it will be same. Okay, and if it is same, then that value will also be same. Okay, because rotation is that according to joint mechanism. Clear to everybody? According to joint mechanism. And this angle will also be theta because del divided by 4. And if this is theta, then that angle will be theta. That angle will be theta. And what about that angle? What about that angle? That angle will be delta 2 divided by this. Okay, and this theta is delta 2 divided by this distance because it is in between. Therefore, that value will also be theta. Okay, therefore that value will also be theta. So the rotation at every joint has been mentioned here. Rotation at every joint has been mentioned here. And that value will also be theta. This will be theta. This will be theta. This will be. Okay. Now the relation between delta 1, delta and delta 2. Okay. इसको लिख लें आप. Means theta equals to del 1 divided by 4. Okay. Equals to A9 del by 4 equals to theta equals to del by 4 यहाँ से equals to del 1 by this one distance is 1.5 equals to del 2 by therefore delta equals to 4 theta, del 1 equals to 1 point theta and del 2 equals to 2.5 theta. Clear to everybody? That has been found out from the geometry. Has been found out from the geometry. External work done have been calculated. Find out the internal work done. Apply moment multiply by the rotation. Start from here. 1.25 1.2 MP into theta plus here. Okay. Here 1.75 MP into theta plus theta. Because here. Come here. पहले तो वैल्यू लिख लूं मैं, कितना था यहाँ पे 1.75 एमपी इंटू दिस थीटा एंड दिस थीटा, ओके, दिस थीटा एंड दिस वन थीटा means 3 theta, means theta plus theta plus theta. Clear to everybody? Clear to everybody? Has been completed. This one, come to this point, 2.5 plus 2.5 MP into theta. Okay, remaining thing is this one here. Come to that point, 2 MP into plus 2 MP into how much? Theta into theta plus, clear, means theta plus theta plus remaining point is this one. This one, ये छूट गया, ओके, लिख लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं। अभी दो चीज छूटी हुए हैं, दिस वन एंड दिस वन, ओके, प्लस 3.5 एमपी इंटू थीटा प्लस थीटा प्लस दिस वन 2 एमपी इंटू, ओके, check it out that no one joint should be left, okay, every joint has been considered, check it out, okay, clear. Now put the value 25 into delta value is 4 plus 20 into delta 1 is 1.5 plus 50 into 2.5 okay is equal to tell me the value amp into theta, what is that? 25 point, so the value of amp 10.019. Clear to everybody? Clear? Is correct value? Therefore, every mechanism has been considered. Every mechanism has been considered to be mechanism, one sway mechanism, and further to combined mechanism. And we will select minimum value of MP or maximum value. नीचे लिखो, therefore required plastic moment of resistance, therefore required plastic moment of resistance will be maximum of MP calculated from all mechanism, and that is कितना लिखूं 11 point okay. So that question was taken from the book T.S. Thandwamurthy, page number 'This is the reference from where that question has been selected. Page number this one, Thandwamurthy, Oxford publication, first edition. Okay, so through that question, I had tried my best to explain each and everything. I hope that anything from that chapter, if you are able to solve with your full confidence, then there will not be any problem. And from next class I will start influence line diagram. Okay, thank you for today.